Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I have another hobby related video for you, and we will be talking about the Everlast wet pellet from the Redgrassgames company. And also this will be also an unboxing. So let's open it. So this is how it comes from the manufacturer. Just a quick information, this was a Kickstarter project, and as of now you can just standard order them on their website, which is redgrassgames.com. And it comes in two different versions. One is the painter version for miniature painting, obviously, but also for other painting applications, and the second one is the Studio XL, which is double the size. So here are some quick informations how to prime the palette, and here's the sizing. So we have 15 by 20 centimeters, and it is 2.5 centimeters thick, which is 5.9 times 7.9 inches if you want that measurement. So if you are ordering on the website the painter bundle, you will get this package. So the main components are here displayed. So you have the palette. So it is a airtight sealed case, specially designed for this application, so for preserving acrylic paste to dry out. The wavy accessory, we are calling it. This is basically your shade and diluted paint container. You can magnetically attach it to the palette, and also it functions as a brush holder. So basically you can put your brush here or take it like here. The grooves are designed to hold the brush in place, that it will not fall down and will not touch the side of the accessory tool. Then you have your band just to securely secure the lid. Has nice design grooves here. And also in the package, the bundle package, you have two hydration foams, and these were specially designed for this application. So they will hold a large amount of water, which is very good for your wet pellet, because you need the wet pellet to stay hydrated for a long time. It has also special features like it should be mold resistant and long lasting, so you can probably take it out and wash it if you want to. If in some applications you will put some paint on it, then you can wash it. Also in the package you will have two packages of 50 hydration paper sheets. These were also specially designed for this application. and you need to apply this to the foam and no water on the top. So let's see the lid of the container, the pellet. So nice rubber seal. This is specially textured material, plastic, to hold the hydration foam. And they give you 2 packages. So when I firstly read something about them, there were only 1 package mentioned, but then I saw the pre-order value deal or value package, and that has had 2 packages of 50, so in total 100 sheets. I don't know if this will stay like this in the future, but now if you are order it, there is an option and you can see the bundle contains 100 sheets. If you are interested in buying these paper sheets separately, maybe because you did your own wet pellet, then the package of 50 will cost you €8, and the hydration foams are €10 for 2. If you would like to buy the wavy accessory, it is also available standalone, and it will cost you €9. They have some deals on free shipping for certain countries, so you need to check it if it still applies. If not, I did pay €6 for shipping, and that is inside the European Union. So the basic preparation for this wet pellet is just put your deionized technical distilled water in this part, soak the foam, and when it is nicely covered and no water drips out, then it is perfectly primed. Apply your sheet, and then you can paint. So the basic premise is to have a professional product with professional grade research materials, but obviously you can make your own wet pellet for a few dollars or euros if you take your baking sheet paper and few sheets of napkin. But I will tell you, it has its downside. So this product should remedy all the negatives and will help you save time on those things like acquiring the right paper, then how to properly prime the paper, and then how to store the wet pellet if it is not hermetically sealed. You can also get your more expensive Tupperware containers with those rubber O-rings, but I keep that onto you. If you want something professionally made and specifically developed for this community or for this hobby, for painting miniatures, in which you will use your colors very efficiently because they will not dry out so fast, then it is, in my opinion, a good product. So if you have any questions, leave comments down below, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.